money, baby, yeah. Come and be my brother, baby, yeah. When you with me, yeah, you might go crazy. I'm just sorry, I've been grinding lately.
Hey, what's good? Oh, my fault, bro. I thought y'all wanted smoke real quick, cause you ain't hit that subscribe button, man. What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy E. We back with another banger, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see what's going on, man. You feel me? Hey, today we got Dance CRIP by Trueno. It's my first time listening to this artist, bro. I don't know what to expect, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. So, hey, y'all tell me what y'all think, bro, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tell me if y'all think I should react to another music by him. Bro, this joint got 55 million views, bro. I don't know, bro. Like, this joint got 55 million views, man. If you didn't yet, like I said before, hit that subscribe button, man. Follow me on Instagram. DM me I only answer my DMs for reaction videos. So DM me if you want me to react to another reaction video to any music by this artist. Let me know so I can do it ASAP. I put it on my list. Hey, I don't really think I got anything else to say, bro. Like, let's get it, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm ready, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready. So let's go, bro. Hey, let's get it. I don't know where this artist is from. I don't know what to expect. I don't know anything, bro. I'm clueless right now. Y'all gotta let me know something. Alright, y'all gotta let me know something. No cap. But hey, bro, shit. Let's jump into this joint right now. Let's get it. Hold up, go back. Oh, hold up. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta switch my hat for this, bro. Hold up, give me a second, bro. I gotta switch my hat for this. Y'all can't see my closet, bro. Hold up. Put the blue on. Let's put the blue on. Where my blue hat at? Where my blue hat at, man? Come on, bro. Stop playing, bro. I gotta bring the blue hat out for this one. I ain't ready yet. I gotta switch it to the blue, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey. We gotta switch it to the blue, man. Let's get it, man. Hold up. Stop playing, bro. Let's get it, man. Stop playing, man. Let's get it, man. Let's switch it to this blue, man.
The hip, the real dance CRIP. La cara de los jóvenes del país. Es el duro más pegado, what the fuck is this? Si tu número contando te di for. Ya tú sabes, como sabes, sonando los bares. Where you think about it? Ya la dicen a los sellos para que se declaren. Toda la calle pide salsa. Comparsa. Un poco tiene un poco más de la balanza. Millonarios quieren comprar mi esperanza. Digo 50 millones les alcanza. ATM.E pasa, el único que escucha borrar desde la plaza. En la calle me conocen como el hip, the hip, the real CRIP. La cara de los jóvenes del país es el duro más pegado, what the fuck is this? Si tu número contado en el mami, algo cero soy yo. Ya saben quién. El mundo entero me yo. Ya saben quién. En el diario soy yo. Shake 'em up. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? Y ahora todos tienen fama, tienen lana, te reúno, techo y cama y unos besos de la mama. En la cima no hace frío, no drama, son los sellos que me llaman y que dejo pa' mañana. Vengo de la puna, traje el pan pa' mi pana.
Hey, bro, hold up, bro. I don't want to pause this like this, bro. Hold up, bro. I'm blown away right now, bro. Tell me where they from, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta let me know where they from and everything. Like, I gotta know stuff like this. Y'all gotta tell me, bro. What's going on, bro? Where they from, bro? Where they from? Okay, let's get it.
El mundo entero me oyó. Ya saben quién. En el diario soy yo. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? En la calle me conocen como el hip, the hip, the real dance CRIP. La cara de los jóvenes del país es el duro más pegado, what the fuck is this? Si tu número contado en la calle me conocen como el hip, the real dance CRIP.
Hey, bro, he cold, bro. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. Let me go back. I gotta go back to this part right here. I like this part. This is my favorite part. Hold on. I gotta go back. Here we go. This is the picture right here. This is the picture. It's coming right now. This was, I like this part. How did he do this? How did he do that, bro? Wow. 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 Hey, yo. Damn, hold up. It's a directed Lucas. Let me see. Y'all gotta tell me where they from, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I like that, bro. Just for that, we gotta drink the blue Gatorade. You feel me? Ooh, he went crazy for that one. Hold up, man. What? Hold up, yeah, get some more blue Gatorade, man. Hold up. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, clear my throat for that. I like that. No cap. Yo. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go back one more time, bro. I'm sorry, I gotta go back one more time. I like that. Hey, very cold.
Al mundo entero me oyó. Ya saben quién, buena soy yo. ¿Quién más rapero que yo? La cara de los jóvenes del país es el turro más pegado. What the fuck is this? Si tu número es contado en la calle me conocen como el hit. The hit, the real dance creep.
Wow. That might have been one of my favorite reaction videos, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I need some more. Y'all gotta DM me on Instagram, bro, at ATM.E and tell me some more videos to react to this dude by, bro. Please, DM me now. Send me his Instagram. Send me some more videos now. If you watching this, I'm uploading this right now as we speak, bro. Send me some more music to my DMs, please. No cap. We about to go ahead. Look, hit that subscribe button, bro. I'm going on to the next video, bro. That was heat. 10 out of 10 in my book. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Let's get it. We out. Peace.